In this video, we will analyze costs for S&P Enterprises. First, we'll find the total fixed cost for September, and then we'll compute the total conversion cost for July. Let's start with September. We are given a list of costs. Fixed costs do not change with production, so we will only add the fixed manufacturing overhead, fixed selling expense, and fixed administrative expense. Let's highlight those three items. Then we add them to find the total fixed cost. Now, let's compute the total conversion cost for July. Conversion cost is the cost to convert raw materials into finished goods. That means direct labor plus total manufacturing overhead. We will use direct labor, variable manufacturing overhead, and fixed manufacturing overhead. Then we add them to get the total. So the total fixed cost for September is $63,000, and the total conversion cost for July is $95,000. That's it for this example.